We often get asked, bakit kayo nag-homeschool? Some people have concerns about it, and that's okay. May iba pa na nag-comment na baka walang matututunan yung mga anak nyo, or baka gagawin nyo lang yung katulong. That's so absurd, right? Pero para sa amin, this is something we decided with so much prayer and love. These are the moments na hindi na namin mababalikan. Yung time na maliit pa sila, na gusto pa nilang kasama kami palagi. And we didn't want to miss that.
Ayaw namin i-trade yung mga ganitong moment for money or work. I choose to post my nursing career kasi gusto kong makasama sila 24/7. To guide them, to teach them, and to be there every single day.
It feels so fulfilling to spend time with them. We get to cook their favorite food every day, guide them, and teach them about life. Iba yung joy na kasama mo silang lumaki. Some people think we homeschool because we're rich. Pero to be honest, we're not. We just choose to prioritize time over money. Alam namin na pera kikitain pa yan. Pero yung oras kasama ang mga anak, once it's gone, di mo na mababalikan. We just choose what's best for our family. Mas pinili namin ang time together kaysa sa anumang bagay. Homeschooling may not be for everyone, and that's perfectly okay. Iba-iba tayo ng journey bilang pamilya. Pero para sa amin, ito yung best decision for our family. To learn, love, and grow together. And here we find joy, peace, and purpose. Learning together at home. Thank you for watching.